Right guys, Callum here, I'm back. Low and Slow Basics. Today we're going to cook for you some beautiful birria tacos. Right, before we get started, we just want to give a massive shout out to Dane, aka the Thong Flippin' Foodie, for lending us his recipe of these beautiful birria tacos. We're going to put a link of all his socials down in the description below. Check him out. Right guys, you know the drill by now. We've trimmed our meat. We've seasoned it with this beautiful Tex-Mex seasoning from Butcher's Axe El Hacha. We've got a lamb shoulder and we've got a beef chuck. We've got that from Austral Meats. This has been sitting at 300 Fahrenheit all day, steadily as usual in the Oklahoma Joe's drum. Crusted up. We've got our bark, as you can see. It is beautiful. We're going to put this in the boating liquid. Right, for our delicious boating liquid. This is what really makes these tacos. Everything you can pretty much get from your local supermarket. You might need to go to a specialty store to get some guajillo chilies. These have been soaking for about half an hour. We're just going to de-seed these, and then we're going to blitz it all up with all the ingredients here, and then we're going to chuck it in our boating liquid. Don't stress, everything is going to be down below in the recipe with the method that we got from Dane. Right, we've got our spice paste all blitzed up, ready to go in the boating liquid. All the ingredients, apart from the onion, our cinnamon quill, our cloves, our bay leaves, all getting blitzed up and then put in there. Basically, you just don't want to blitz up all the cloves and the cinnamon because they can get a bit nasty. There's a little trick that I like doing. Like that. Right guys, it's been about 2 hours in the boat right now. We just gave it a quick look. We've gave it a flip. You can see right now the meat's starting to pull and we're getting that oil on top there, which is goodness. I'll just give it a taste, and it needs a little bit of salt. Just hit it with that salt. And we'll be back. Right, we have been monitoring closely and we're at the point of pull. Have a look at this. Probing nice and tender, falling through. Be careful doing this, you don't pierce the tray. Right, we're going to pull this meat out. We're going to let it cool and then we're going to pull it. Right, the meat is pulled. You guys know how to do that by now. You tear it apart like a wild animal. We've got our consomme here. We're just going to put a little bit on the meat. You can dip it on there like a gentleman, or you can be like me and be a savage. There we go. Get rid of your bay leaf. You don't want that. Mix it up. How good is that? So that's 50-50 lamb, 50-50 beef. You want those different textures and you want that fat from the lamb to help carry that beef. Alright. Looks like a little tasty treat for me. Alright, we've come to the point what everyone is waiting for. We're going to be constructing these things. We have our white corn tortillas, our beautiful consomme. You see that clear, beautiful oil on top? That is going to help this thing stop sticking on the pan. Also, help it taste amazing. Now, I know you probably want to pack up a substantial amount of meat, but don't. You can have as many as you want of these, alright? You don't want to overpack it. Right, look at our meat. We've got our onion. We've got our green onion. A little bit of coriander, whether you like it or not, I love it. Beautiful Mexican cheese. Try and get a little bit on the outside there so you can lace that edge, and that's going to crisp up nicely. Spatula, ready to go. Fold. Squish it down. That's what we want. Alright, putting just a little bit on the edge. That's going to crisp up even more. Ready? There we go. See that? This is exactly what we want. Let it go. Oh, you see that? This is exactly what we're looking for, people. That golden, crispy, cheesy edge on that tortilla. Now, we're going to let that cool for a couple of minutes. Now, build as you go. As many as you want, as many guests as you want. Let them go. They're going to stay warm for a while. Right, let's try these things. I like a bit of acidity. Oh. Now, this is a must. This is the whole point of this shit. Okay. Seriously. What don't you like about that? Crispy cheese. Pulled beef and lamb. Oh, it is just amazing. Oh my god.
I don't want to cry on camera. This is good.
Dip again. Dip again. This is what it's all about, people.
Wow.
That's what it's all about.
It's honestly one of the best things I've ever tasted.
Tell me how you really feel, Aaron.
Oh, I could die happy.
Beautiful.